बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे 2 जून 2024 के अखबार में। पोजीशन ओपन अकाउंट्स अ रेप्यूटेबल कंपनी अकाउंटेंट बीकॉम 5 years एक्सपीरियंस अकाउंट्स/फाइनेंस प्लस टैक्स रिटर्न अप्लाई tradco.intl@gmail.com tradco tradco.co.intl@gmail.com Required experienced accountant can handle accounts matters independently, having knowledge of income tax return and other tax matters. Email muzammilazizz1991@gmail.com. WhatsApp 0321 3456 442. We are hiring taxation officer. Applicant must have 3 year experience in taxation, income and sales tax returns. Should be on fingertips. Residents near IA Chandigarh Road will be preferred. Send your CV/resume at taxoffice2500@gmail.com. taxoffice2500@gmail.com. We are looking customs clearance person and account finance person for a logistics freight forwarding company in Karachi. Candidate must qualified and minimum 5 to 10 years of experience. Please share your CV on jvd.ahmad257@gmail.com. A firm of income tax consultants requires assistant law officer. Candidates must have through knowledge of income tax law. Email muzammilazizz1991@gmail.com. WhatsApp 0321 3456 0321 3456 We are looking for a senior candidate, deputy manager finance. Key responsibilities are financial record keeping, assist in maintaining accurate financial records and transactions, assist in financial reporting, assist in preparing financial reports and statements as required, assist in internal external audits and account finalization, strong grip and knowledge of sales tax and income tax, liaison with the bank related to banking matters, minimum 3 years of experience in similar role, ACCA/bachelor's with reputed university audit/tax firm background will be given preference. Interested candidates are requested to email their CVs by 10th June 2024 at lubewhile.career@gmail.com. engineering की जॉब है. Required system administrator/support engineer are required. Who can do the following duties? Minimum qualification BCA/MSc, installing, setting, configuring Windows and Linux servers and computer networks, hands-on VMware workstation and ESXi servers, good knowledge of ICT equipment such as servers, desktops, laptops, printers, mobile devices, etc. Analyzing, identify, fixing and recording network and server problems, establishing connections between computers and local and wide networks, ensuring the data and infrastructure of the organization are secure, performing daily security backups in case a server or program were to malfunction. Send your CV at javed.siddiqui@foresight.com.pk. Foreman for pump repairing, rotary equipment, balancing and fitting of heavy machine, repairing, experienced know-how of welding and grinding. CV asad@safpakistan.com, cell number 030824888925 030824888925. Plant manager for metal extraction, rectifier operation, DC, hammer mill and agitator. Experience. CV safpakistan.com, सेल नंबर है 0308248892 0308248892. We require industrial electronics diploma holder for field service engineer, 05 years experience of electoral mechanical machines and electronic troubleshooting. Good salary for deserving candidates. Email cv/picture hide chcoding@hotmail.com. hightech tech coding@hotmail.com. and ISO certified leading electrical contracting company requires applications from highly motivated energetic individuals for their ongoing industrial/commercial projects in Karachi/Hyderabad. Computer literacy is must for all jobs. Electrical engineer B electrical 5 to 7 years field experience with reputable contracting firms will be responsible for supervising and managing all electrical works of industrial/hospital/high-rise buildings. AutoCAD literacy is must along with MS Project and MS Office etc. Planning/coordination engineer B electrical 5 to 10 years experience particularly in project coordination, project scheduling and progress monitoring. Must be proficient with planning softwares. Email latest.vacancies@gmail.com. कंप्यूटर्स की जॉब है. कंप्यूटर्स रिक्वायर्ड आर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एक्सपर्ट विद कंप्लीट नॉलेज ऑफ मेटा एड्स, टिकटॉक, इंस्टाग्राम, गूगल एड्स etc. with good communication skills. Send CV to alidelta1980@hotmail.com. alidelta1980@hotmail.com. Require part-time computer operator resident of DHA and surrounding areas. Call or visit C30D Main 26 Street, Tawheed Commercial Area, Phase 5, DHA, Karachi. Telephone number 0333827160 0333827160. WhatsApp 0305203900 0305203900. जनरल की जॉब है. रिक्वायर्ड ट्रांसपोर्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर 3 to 5 years of relevant experience in fleet management. Email cvhopekarachi@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 0213223930 0213223930. एक और PTCL नंबर है 021322438889 021322438889. female/male fashion design for ladies garments at PECHS Khalid bin Walid Road 0326939295 0326939295. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 03212169 03212169. We're looking for business development officer to join our team in Karachi, and appointee will be at the forefront of our expansion efforts, reaching out to potential clients and fostering relationships that drive growth. We're searching for candidates who are outspoken and confident communicators, fluent in English, willing to work from 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. Age should not be more than 40 years. We offer a handsome salary package plus uncapped commission and endless opportunities for growth and advancement. If you're ready to take your career to new heights and be part of an exciting journey, apply now. Send your CV to the HRTHEHRAID8@gmail.com or WhatsApp at 0328271940 0328271940. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. Management Manager HR required for hospital must have 5 years relevant experience in dealing daily hospital related matters and HR correspondence. Fresh candidates may also apply at hospitalhr1953@gmail.com. रिसेप्शनिस्ट की जॉब है. रिक्वायर्ड कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर with good typing speed, having own laptop preferred. Contact now 033623023887. 03362302387. We are looking for female receptionist, smart, good looking, active, fluent in English, can do email correspondence, schedule meetings, and can manage time, attendance, machine reports. Age 22 to 30 years. Office Mashriq Center beside DC East Office. Send CV in WhatsApp 0310 3333240 0310 3333240. टीचर्स की जॉब है. टीचर इज़ रिक्वायर्ड एट स्टूडेंट हाउस grade 7 boy to teach mechanical science projects. Making contact with proper references. Contact 0316129594 0316129594. Art and craft teacher, part time. Minimum qualification graduate with experience in same field, required for twice a week. She will be responsible for therapeutic arts and craft work. Please send your resume to Panha Shelter Home, Street 6, Block 10, Federal Bay Area, Karachi, or email us at panahome@gmail.com. Fortune House School System, Block 6, Gulshan Iqbal requires the following staff. Number 1, O level Islamiyat. Number 2, middle school English and history. Number 3, primary English/science teachers. Number 4, home teacher 1 to 5, music teacher. Number 6, Montessori directress. Number 7, co-teacher. Number 8, Nazra teacher. 0308 2755805 0308 2755805. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0334 1261126 0334 1261126. email careers@fortune.edu.pk careers@fortune.edu.pk. Karachi High School requires the following teachers. Number 1, literacy and numeracy teacher for primary and secondary school. Candidates must be fluent in English with an O-level educational background. Qualification minimum A levels of bachelor's degree. Work experience minimum 2 years of experience in an O-level school. For an appointment from Monday to Friday 9 AM to 12:30 PM, contact Mr. Hassan Raza Administrative Department. Phone number 021 35224040 0321 35224040. एक और PTCL नंबर है 02135688668 02135688668. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0321209265 0321209265. email hassanraza@khs.edu.pk. address Karachi High School 3 MCLVER Road behind Karachi Club Civil Lines. Mass Group International are leading multi-business management group. Requires applications from male and female for the positions of science/math/English teacher, vice principal/coordinator for foreign campus of upcoming international school. Mass International School system on attractive income package and facilities. Send your CV on WhatsApp latest by 6th June on 0327 2301357 0327 2301357. Teachers required for English, Physics, Pakistan Studies, Biology, Chemistry and Mathematics. Apply with CV. job@studentprintcenter.com job@studentprintcenter.com. Teachers required for regular and online tuitions. Teachers may send their CV on WhatsApp. City Tuition 0320 47331430 0320 47331430. A reputed O-levels school in Clifton area requires experienced and qualified teachers for the following subjects. Number 1, Montessori directress, preferably AMI trained. Number 2, home teacher for grade 3. Number 3, Urdu, computer, English and maths teachers for middle section. Number 4, English, computer and biology teachers for O levels. Number 5, administrator, accountant and physical training instructor. Please email your resume at cliftonhighschool@yahoo.com or contact on WhatsApp 0301 828085 0301 828085. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।